Hey everyone, Antonia here, aka ThatCarLife support. Is that right? Am I ThatCarLife support?
That's your job.
That's my job. Yeah. Okay.
You're also my girlfriend, but
that's
part of being my girlfriend. ThatCarLife support.
Okay.
What are we doing today, ThatCarLife support?
Okay, so today we're putting on spacers.
Oh my god! Congratulations, you got it. All right, guys. So I ended up getting some 15mm spacers off Shift Performance. So these are gonna go on the rears. The 5mm spacers look just fine at the front, but as you can see right here, there's way too much gap. And a lot of people were saying, oh, just, you know, straighten out the camber and that will fix it. You're right, it would fix it, but I really love the look of having the camber like that. So I want to bring the wheels out and keep the camber. I know I'm going to go through my tires more than I should, but it's my car, I want that look, and that's a risk I'm going to, well, that's just a payoff, you know? All right, so the plan is going to jack up the car, chuck these on, and fingers crossed it'll be perfect. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I got the wheel off and I got the spacer right here. Now I've never done a spacer install like this ever before, so don't judge if I do anything wrong. But from my understanding, you take these nuts off and put these on the stock studs to hold it on, and then these extended studs will hold on the actual wheel itself. So I'm going to try it on, and yeah, fingers crossed it fits well, so let's do it. Alright, so the spacers are now on. I just got to fully tighten these to make sure it's nice and firm. So after this is tightened, I'm going to put the wheel on and we'll see how the fitment looks. So let's do it. It's going to look so good. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That looks sick. Alright, so the car's been lowered down and I'm so happy with how it looks. So the 15mm spacers, I was really scared that they were going to stick out too much, but it honestly tucks in just right and it matches the front quite well. So I think the camber might need to come up just a little bit, but I'm planning on taking the car down to Heisman's eventually to get everything aligned and get the camber adjusted, and I have camber bolts that will go in the front. So yeah, I'm going to get everything aligned and taken care of at Heisman's, but for now this is perfectly fine. So the main reason why I wanted to keep the camber is because I absolutely love the look of when you look at the back of the car, you can see the tires just sticking out like that. I know that it wears down the tires quicker and all that stuff, but it's honestly a risk I'm willing to take because I just love the way it looks. And yeah, I'm really happy with these spacers because thanks for that. ThatCarLife support, not very supportive. But yeah, so as you can see, it lines up with the front quite nice, and I really like how you can look down the side of the car and it's kind of even. So yeah, until I go to Heisman's, this is perfect fitment for now. Do you mind? Alright, so I'm going to get started on the other side before ThatCarLife support ruins another clip. So yeah, I'm going to move the car around so I can fit the jack and everything here. And yeah, one more side, let's do it. Oh my god guys, this is like an unseen moment in like the history of the internet. ThatCarLife support is actually fucking supporting. Like, this is unreal. I can't believe this is the biggest moment on this channel. Like, she's actually doing her job. This is unreal guys. I can't believe you're here to witness this with me. How does it feel that you're actually doing work?
You know what, it does not feel great. Like, I hate doing work, you know, it's not me.
Rexy. Guys, if you think ThatCarLife support is doing a good job, give this video a thumbs up.
They're gonna give it a thumbs down.
Fuck, alright, don't do that. Alright, so the spacers are all on the car, the 15s are on the back, 5 on the front, and honestly matches pretty well. So I think I'm going to take the car to Heisman's and get everything adjusted properly in the next couple of weeks. But for now, I'm totally happy to run it like this. Honestly, so happy with it. It actually looks so good. I just can't stop looking at it now. So I love how it just sits flush now. So when you look down the side of the car, it doesn't look like there's anything off. So the front's out nice, the back's out nice. And yeah, it just really ties the whole car together. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'll see you guys next time on ThatCarLife.